5 chicken sandwich spots you gotta try out in Los Angeles. We're here in LA, my hometown, and the Nashville hot chicken craze has kind of taken over, and it's kind of like a LA hot chicken nowadays. A lot of the spots we're going to have the hot chicken, and a fun fact about hot chicken, it actually started in Tennessee at Prince's Hot Chicken. So Prince's girlfriend was mad at him for going out at night, so she put a bunch of cayenne pepper on his chicken sandwich. He really loved the sandwich that way. He started making it at his restaurant, which was Prince's BBQ. It eventually turned to Prince's Hot Chicken, and there was born the Nashville Hot Chicken Sandwich. Let's check out what LA has to offer. Not all the spots are hot chicken sandwiches, but I guarantee you all of them are gonna be really good. All of these spots are in LA, but they're actually all pretty close to each other, so you can do it all in one day if you wanted to. That's a lot of chicken. We're gonna try the hottest chicken, so their highest spice level, if they have one, and a regular medium spice. Our first spot is all in the name, best f***ing hot chicken. This chicken sandwich looks phenomenal, crispy on the outside. They're using Hawaiian bun sliders. We got some slaw, pickles. This is the medium. We're gonna dive right in. It's a thick piece of chicken, crispy. Feels like almost like a tempura-ish batter. It's got that nice crunch to it. It's not very spicy, so this is the medium, but everything works really well together. And the sweetness from the Hawaiian rolls, fantastic. Let's try the devil's breath. This is the spiciest option they have. Kind of looks like a war clam or gooey duck just sticking out at me. I think I'm gonna take this piece right here. Oh, definitely has a kick. Doesn't come on immediately. That spice builds in after. Spice level is good. It's got that lingering type of spice. I know I'm gonna be feeling this about a couple hours, or maybe tomorrow. All in all, really good. I think spice level on this, I would take it. It's probably like an 8.5 out of 10. Fantastic. On to the next place. Next up, Dave's Hot Chicken. We gotta throw in some of my Armenian heritage. This was started by 4 Armenian friends, 2 of them brothers, with $900 in a parking lot here in East Hollywood. Soon turned into a 250 location enterprise that just recently sold for $1 billion. Let's go check them out. It's pretty magical that you start in a tire repair shop parking lot and now you make these awesome hot chicken sandwiches. It's pretty magical. Let's take a bite. Texturally, it's not super crispy on the outside. There's a lot of flavor. The chicken is kind of crusted with almost like a sauce, less of like a dry rub. Super delicious. The slaw, the pickles all work really well together. It's no wonder that celebrities like Drake, Samuel L. Jackson all invested in this company. Now let's try the Reaper, the hottest one. You gotta give a chance to burn your face off sometimes. Let's go. Oh, baby. That's hot. 10 out of 10 spice. Oh, I got a little excited with that bite. Woo. That is one spicy chicken sandwich. I don't know how anyone can eat the whole thing. Whoa, one bite is all that's gonna happen. Whoa, I like it. On to the next spot. Next up, we have Le Coupe, which started off during the pandemic by Craig and Kristen Walker. So Le Coupe, which means to cut in French, is kind of a play on words because it started during the pandemic and they were cooped up. Is like an homage to Southern fried chicken. It's got a lot of sweet flavors, different from the hot chicken that we've been having, and it's gonna be pretty awesome. Let's check it out. So we gotta cool ourselves down from that last fiasco a little bit. So let's get into the corn ribs. Oh my God, limey, refreshing. It's definitely settling my stomach after that Reaper. Can't wait for the chicken sandwich.
There you go.
Well done. That's massive. Thank you.
Dude, what the hell, bro?
Definitely a break from the hot chicken. This is gonna be a more Southern style fried chicken. We got the slaw, the pickles, like a sweet glaze over the top. I'm pretty pumped on this one. Jesus. Oh, wow. This is gonna be gnarly. I don't even know how to do it. Wow. I love the sweetness. Honestly, it's so crispy. Even though it's doused in sauce, it's still crispy on the outside. You get a crunch, soft, juicy, moist on the inside. The pickles, the slaw, the sauce. I love it. It's like a breath of fresh air from all the hot chicken. It's a crazy sandwich though. I don't know if one person can eat the whole thing, but we're gonna try. And if you're liking this content, don't forget to click that subscribe button and like it. It really helps. Next up, we have Daybird. Chef Mei Lin, winner of Top Chef, brings her Chinese heritage into hot chicken, adding Szechuan peppercorns and a bunch of other stuff. It's got good reviews, so let's go check it out. Oh, this thing is massive. Jesus, look at this thing. Oh my God. That's nuts. So we got some slaw in here. You can smell the Szechuan peppercorn in there. I can feel the spice already. On a potato bun, this thing looks magical. I'm gonna kind of bite it from the side so I can get some bun in there too. Let's see what happens. Extremely crispy. The batter is perfect. It's not too much. This might be one of the crunchiest ones of so far. The peppercorn comes through. Szechuan peppercorn always gives me like a numbing sensation in my mouth, like on my tongue. Does that happen to you? Let me know in the comments. Honestly, it's really good. I think these flavors work together perfectly. It's not over doused in sauce. It's kind of like a dry rub. It's a massive, perfectly delicious chicken sandwich. Fantastic. Let's try the spicy one. Here we go, the extreme. Woo! Dude, that thing is so big. Just look. Look at that thing. Just massively in there. I like how every spot kind of has like a slightly different chicken preparation because it's like it's shaped differently in the sandwich. It's not just all the same exact way. It's kind of cool. This one, definitely a little darker. You can tell this one's gonna get me. I'm gonna do another side bite so I get some bun. There it is. It comes in after. I was looking for it. A little spicy. Peppercorn spice is different than that Reaper that we were having earlier and habanero, all that stuff. The Szechuan peppercorn, it's a very fun spice. This numbing, tingling sensation, it doesn't linger crazy like the other spices do. This is fantastic. I can actually eat this whole sandwich, even though it's their extreme heat. This is great. On to the next one. And finally, we're at Howlin Ray's.
Hey, fellas, we got a camera over here. Hey!
Founded by Johnny Ray Zone and his wife Amanda, inspired by his trip to Tennessee, he found this hot chicken and wanted to bring it here to LA. Starting in a food truck and now this awesome brick and mortar, it's supposed to be one of the best. Let's check it out. Waiting in line. So we're gonna do 2 sandos, 1 medium, 1 howlin.
One howlin.
I gotta try it.
Your first time?
First time.
Now, just a little, we give you a warning, okay, my man? So, of course, our howlin is the most spiciest.
Yeah.
It does contain ghost peppers, habaneros, Trinidad scorpions, and the Carolina Reapers, right, my man?
Fantastic.
We'll give you some gloves, make sure we put them on.
Yeah.
Don't touch your face or anything else, all right?
All right. Yeah. Starting off here with the medium hot. This looks fire. Nice crispy chicken. It's a big old piece. We got pickles, a little lettuce, there's sauce. It looks fire. This is the medium hot. We'll see how this goes. It's got a good amount of heat coming through. That medium spicy is like that perfect spice. The meat is super juicy, tender on the inside, crispy on the outside. I mean, they're doing it right here. They actually gave gloves for this one. Might be one of the hottest sandwiches in LA. They're ghost pepper, Reaper, habanero. Actually, everybody inside was kind of freaking out. So let's see if I die. You're gonna have to carry me out of here. All right, extra hot, howlin'. Oh, baby. Chaotic. It kind of looks the same, so you wouldn't know the difference. Like if I swap boxes, it looked like the same exact sandwich. It's not like there's like extra peppers that's like coming out of this thing. Woo! Oh, baby, that's got some heat. 10 out of 10 spice. It keeps coming, it's building. You starts off with that ghost peppery. My tongue always gets numb when I hit ghost peppers. The Reaper's coming in. It's a thicker sandwich, so I get a little more meat in it, I feel like. Honestly, it's still really good. It's not overpowering. You still get a lot of that flavor coming through. Howlin Ray's is killing it. They gave me a banana pudding because they felt bad for me. They're like, you're gonna need this to cool it down. So let's try their banana pudding. It's the cleanser of the palate. Howlin Ray's. Abowww. That was awesome. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps. And let me know in the comments below, where should I go next? Abowww.